In order to connect your lock to Wi-Fi, you'll need to use a smartphone or laptop. After installing batteries in your remote lock, it will produce a Wi-Fi setup network for approximately 8 minutes. The network name of your lock will start with RemoteLock - followed by its MAC ID. To connect using your smartphone, start by going to the Settings app, then to the Wi-Fi settings to make sure Wi-Fi has been turned on. After turning Wi-Fi on, select the network starting with RemoteLock - If you do not see RemoteLock as an available network, temporarily pull out a battery from the lock to reset the lock's network. Once you have selected your lock's network, you should be automatically redirected to the network selection page for the lock. Click the Connect button next to the Wi-Fi network name you would like your lock to connect to. Finally, click on the Connect button. At this point, the lock will attempt to connect with your router. If successful, you will hear the lock beep twice and the lights on the keypad should flicker. After connecting your lock to Wi-Fi, you'll need to create a Connect account to control your lock remotely. For additional information, visit our Help Center at support.remotelock.com or contact our support team anytime by phone or email.